Hello, everyone. It's been a while since I have uh, uh, had any discussions on my YouTube channel. That was mainly because of the fact that I had a spate of illnesses, which kept me away from doing this. And I have also lost my live audience because they've all gone to different other subjects, kind of thing. Now, so from now onwards, I will be lecturing, or if you like, discussing whatever is something which is relevant to all of us, be it in your college as your subject, or be it as something that might be very useful to you in competitive examinations that you people take quite regularly. And I will talk about things which are of importance, both nationally, internationally. And of course, my passion is political theory, so there'll be quite a bit of political theory involved in this. Uh, but don't let that scare you away. Uh, it's just one of the many things that I will be doing. Uh, Now, I have not set a date for when I'm going to start uh, my lectures again, but it is going to be in the next 2, 3 days. So, if any of you is checking this, uh, please make sure that you are. Please make sure that you are uh, looking at things from Tuesday or Wednesday onwards. And when I come back, I shall give you more details of what I will be doing and how I will be doing that. And as usual, I would uh, greatly appreciate your patronage. I had 159 subscribers, but due to my long absence, I think I've lost 4 subscribers. I had know that there are non-subscribers also who go through this. Uh, so if you subscribe, it will be easier. So from now onwards, there may not be a live audience, or they may be, uh, or it might be a mixture of both, where I just speak and there is no live audience, or there could be a live audience and I still speak to you. So thank you very much. I hope to see you day after tomorrow, Tuesday, or latest Wednesday. And we will chart out a program of how we will go around doing this and how it can be beneficial to many people. So, my concern has always been that education, quality education, should reach people free of cost. And that is the reason why I am doing this. This is not an exercise in self perpetuation. Uh, so please do remember that I'm doing this as I have been a professor and for 35 years, and I have taken quite a good amount of salary from my university. Now, so it is always I always felt that I had a duty to give something back to uh, to the profession that you know made me what I am. So thank you very much. Hope to see you day after or on Wednesday latest. Thank you.